Good morning. It is Sunday morning, and we are building a brick side extension for another builder today. Um, I'm just literally loading the drawings up now so I can send myself, and he's got all the gear. We're basically just going into the labour. Somebody else has got it up to damp, and we will be hopefully getting. I need to be getting it done today, or most of it done today, because I don't fancy spending too many visits on it. So let's see how we get on.
You if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. 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 I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by piece. No superheroes, no silver linings. Just keep on moving to the beat. Paralyzing every part.
Yeah, so pretty much nearly used all the brick now. We've got about 100 left. The builder's not ordered enough gear. He's probably about 400 brick short, and we've got about a pack of block to lay, so we'll probably be done in the next couple of hours. I really want to get this pretty much up to lintel light today, but that's not happening. So yeah, it's a bit of a fuck up really, but it is what it is. You just got to keep moving on.
We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving through the baby. Baby. Baby.
Done work till now. It's what is it, 20 to 8, and I basically bricked underside of the steel. I've pretty much got the block work up to lintel height. I've probably got a few hours left on it tomorrow, which I'll do after work. But to be honest with you, I wanted to get this all done near enough in one day on Sunday. And when you go to jobs and people are not organised enough, or they've not ordered the right amount of materials, just completely pisses you off. So I'll have another couple of hours on it tomorrow night, and then they'll be finished and wall plated and off that job and on to the next. That's it, really. It is what it is. What can you do? Bit of a late one tonight to catch up from the fuck up from the Sunday, not ordering enough gear by the builder. So we're gonna get this brickwork and blockwork up and hopefully try and get it done tonight. If not, we'll be another night on it tomorrow. Let's see how we get on, eh? I'm what there, mate.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, go get me a line, Shane. Fucking line right 3 to 8. Get me a brick hammer, mate, as well.
How's you doing now?
Yeah, I'll need me traitor on these, I need me pointer. Right, go back in the bag, mate.
There's a yellow line down here. So yours, Wayne?
No, I think that's the lad.
No.
Yeah, Wayne, catch this. Put up. Pass that brick hammer, Shay.
Where's your finger? No. Using the finger trowel on it, mine, yeah.
Right.
Using the finger trowel on it.
Yeah, will you get me my little level as well? Oh, that 4 foot level will do, mate.
You need that, Wayne.